Did you think I'd bought a drone? I'm way too skint for that. Let's get it on! Get it on! Get it on! Right, so we've decided we're going to build a new shelter. It's going to be a big archy shelter here. Beautiful spot. We got a nice bit of clearing over that side. Little river running down here, but just a bit further downstream we're going to build a dam here just to sort of bulk it up a bit because it's not quite good enough for getting water out of, but it has potential. And that's what we did at the last spot. We just built a little dam and it just filled up. Suddenly we had about 1.5 feet of water. So that's the plan. That's too low. So we're going to be testing out the original Firebox. Now this is a pretty special bit of kit. It's about £70, so I think what's that, about $80 or something like that. Yeah, so we're expecting good things. Let's get to it. It's not mine, by the way, it's Colin's. There you go, I'll give him it back.
Thank you very much. I bought it, I'd watched a couple of reviews online on them, and as you know we've got motorbikes for going away, so I figured it would be handy for a bit of everything, but we'll get it a wee go.
Yeah. Of course, Colin, you do have a tendency to break things on my channel.
Oh, don't even. That's still depressing. Don't even. Right, aye, so...
Did you show the replacement for the broken knife?
No, I don't think I have actually.
No.
It's nothing too exciting.
This
is my...
quite a cool knife.
It's alright, doesn't it? It's a heli knife. Heli egging, I think it is.
If anybody's seen the... what was that? The fried chicken? Swamp fried chicken video? Colin, about 3 seconds into filming, Colin broke his bushcraft knife.
I had it for so long too. My wee baby and it broke.
That was your debut.
That chicken was so good, even after now. Aye, so, right. Folds out, dead easy. And then it's got this wee hatch that just goes down like that. Now when I first got it, it's actually a wee bit squint, and initially I thought, oh my god, something's mucked up with this, but the way it works is to let it fold in, so apparently it's meant to be squint. That was after looking at a couple of reviews and feeling stupid. But if I'd done it, somebody else would probably have done it. Obviously I'm not quite used to it yet, it's new, never been fired. So, we'll see how we go. Here we go. This is a RJ Bushcraft, it's the only Bushcraft specific camping shop in Scotland. Natural firelighter. So,
should get this going because all these little pine sticks they're pretty dry. Oh, sorry, they're pretty soaking. Joys of living in the swamp.
That's it. Scotland for you. If you can't light a fire in the rain, you're pretty gubbed.
Oh yeah.
That is dented, isn't it?
The gnarliest pot on the planet.
It's because every time I come out I get pushed and I end up standing on it.
It's been used as a bomb shelter before.
Quite funny because your gear's normally like good quality
Aye,
and brand new and really
that's
good.
sentimental, I've had that for years, I love that thing.
Aye. That's the sort of pot I would commit with.
Aye, I love that pot. It's gubbed, but like I say, I've had it for years, I love it.
Aye.
And one badass pot. Although it's going to melt. It's aluminium in it, you put it on the fire empty, it'll melt. I'm the cameraman, I'm saving his life here. We're saving your treasured pot.
Good, thank you.
Oh wait, have you got something to pick it up with?
I've got my leather gloves out there.
That's something to note. Never put an aluminium pot on the fire without anything in it because it will melt. I'm not going to melt your jacket.
Not from quick.
Saying if you want these wee firelighters, all natural firelighters, RJ Bushcraft, there'll be a link in the description.
It's in Wishaw.
It's in Wishaw, yeah, in Scotland. So if you're watching from Canada, sorry.
Hey, they do online sales. I've got a new website.
Do they?
Yeah.
Happy days.
See, after slagging folk for years, I've eventually bit the bullet and went and bought myself a wee titanium spoon.
Titanium sport.
I mean, honestly, I've been slagging folk for years about, oh, what do you need a titanium sport for? And then I've went and bought one. So,
yep.
Yeah. Slag me if you see me, I've got it coming.
Aye, we're we're holding off with the shelter building because well, Colin's only here until when are you here? Like another half hour,
Aye, about that.
if that. So we're kind of just messing about, and then we're gonna get straight into the shelter building. Although we've gathered quite a few materials. There was a couple of downed trees. Aye, so those are the trees that were blown down, and there's literally about 7 or 8 of them. So plenty materials for building a nice shelter. And the good thing is because it's greenwood, it's gonna make the shelter last a lot longer. Right.
At me, I'm waving. That's me away.
Colin's got to go.
Enjoy your sausages.
You got to go shopping in Edinburgh.
No. To be fair, it's a date day with the missus, so it'll be nice enough.
Yeah, sorry, I can't make it sound too bad.
Edinburgh Dungeons.
She might watch this video.
She won't watch it. Dawn's a fan. She's a sub.
She's a sub, yep.
Sub? Going to a dungeon in Edinburgh?
Hey. I know.
Ross is thinking submissive.
Dirty boy. Right, I'll see you later on.
Yeah,
Alright, see you, Colin.
Bye.
Bye. Just making a quick digging stick. Simple. You put a rock in the bottom of the hole, stops the post going down. Got Ross to thank for that, that was his idea. That'll do.
Right, that's got enough on it. Oh, you get to the top of that?
Yeah. I need to build a little something to stand on. But I would rather it was this size. And it should come down a bit as I build it.
Aye.
You just push it that way and I'll all sorts of stuff in my eyes. Bandana's gone off. Shelter's getting pretty good now. We got the framework done. We're leaving all this at the top. We're going to trim that back at the end. Birdcage success.
3, 2, 1. Pile drive.
The power.
I am King Arthur. Ready?
There we go. And that can go. I missed it. I think we killed Ross. You actually dying, Ross? Did it hit you in the stones? He was trying to weave a bit in here. And he was bending it, and it snapped. Pinged out and hit him in the nuts.
Fucking hell, man. Oh.
Is you dead?
Yeah, man. I mean, that was like just the edge of the stick, just hitting right in the centre of the ball.
Hey, we never said it was going to be easy.
I'm not joking, man. That fucking hurt.
No, nothing's worse than a nut shot. It's so dark. What do you think? Not too bad, eh? Swamp Valley! Don't kill me. Yeah, so shot it's not finished, not by any means, but this is a long-term shutter that we're building, so we were never planning on finishing it today. But I think we've made a pretty good start. It's looking nice, and yeah, we'll be back later for part 2. Might be a part 3, part 4, whatever. Just gonna make it as nice as we can and have fun. So yeah, if you like this one, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss the next one. And catch you later, folks. Give me that back.
Axe fight. That's a real bad idea.
That's a bad idea, yeah.